Back straight, Tanmay, back straight, back straight. That is not back straight. Sit with back straight, never round your back. So we'll be now doing loosening practices. So those who want to lie, it's a lying loosening practice initially. So keep your mat horizontal, parallel to the screen so that you can see the screen when you're practicing. Okay. So initially, lie down on the mat. I hope you can see me completely. Yeah. After lying down, keep both the legs together, hands close to your body. Inhale and point your toes forward. Stretch your toes to the front. Exhale, point it backward. So practice along with me, those who want to practice. Inhale, front. Whenever you are in doubt, look at the video. Exhale, pull it back. Inhale, point your toes. Exhale, pull it back. Inhale, front, stretch your toe. Exhale, back. One more time. Inhale, front. And exhale, back. Now rotate the feet. 1, all directions. 2, toes and heels together. 3, 4, 5, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, normal breathing is enough. 4, 5. Once you have done that, bend both your legs. Keep your feet close to your hips on the mat. Now inhale, stretch the left leg upwards. Try to straighten the knee. Exhale, bend it back. Inhale, right leg straight. Exhale, bend. Inhale, left leg straight. Exhale, bend it. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, bend. Inhale, left. Exhale, bend. One more time. Inhale, right, and exhale, bend. Now both together. Inhale, both the legs straight. Exhale, bend and keep it on the mat. Inhale, 2. Again, straighten it. Exhale, bend it. Inhale, 3. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 4. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, 5. And exhale, bend. Now inhale and spread the arms sideways. Keep your legs there only. After that, exhale, tilt your knees to the left and look at your right hand. Inhale, bring it back, look at the ceiling. Exhale to the right, look at your left hand. Inhale up, look up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. And inhale up. Exhale to Shavasana. Both your leg down and hands down. Keep your hands close to the body only. Inhale, raise both the legs 30 degrees. Exhale, bend the left leg, touch chin on the knee. Release, bend the other leg, chin on the knee. Release, left. Release, right. Release, left. Release, right. Release, left. Release, right. One more. Release, left. And release, right. Inhale, head down. Exhale, release your legs. Now inhale, take both the arms over the head. Exhale, keep your legs together, point your toes. Now inhale, raise your left leg 90-degree angle. Exhale, bring it back. Carefully, okay? Any pain? You have to be careful. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, down. All these are loosening practices. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, down. Once more. Inhale, left. Point the toe. Exhale, right. Sorry, down. Inhale, right. And exhale, down. Now, if you have got a back problem, don't do the next. Careful. If you cannot do, don't do it. Okay, Venkateshana. Inhale, both the legs together. Carefully. If you have pain, don't do it. Exhale, down. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, 5. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, 3. You have to count 10 numbers there. 4. Look at the toe. 5. Normal breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, bring both the legs down. Here, inhale, bend the left leg. Exhale, turn to the ground. So you have to turn around and lie down. Okay? After lying down, keep both the palm by the chest. Inhale, lift your chest. Not too much. Exhale, go down. Gradually improve. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Elbow close to body, Uma. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Carefully, Venkatesh. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, 5. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Inhale, stand up on the knees and hands like a cat position. If you want, you can turn to the front. Those who want to turn to front, you can turn. Those who are in the opposite direction, you can turn. Okay. So here, keep the knees apart, feet apart. Okay. Standing toes. Standing toe. Look at my toe. Standing toe. Don't do this is sleeping toe. This is standing toe. So keep standing toes. Now starting with left arm, right leg. Inhale, stretch the left arm and right leg. Manukal straight madi. Exhale, elbow on the knee. Inhale, 2. Your knee should become straight. Exhale. Careful, any pain, stop. Inhale, 3. Exhale. Inhale, 4. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, elbow on the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to cat position. Exhale a breath. Other side. Inhale, 1. Right arm left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to cat position. Exhale, sit in Vajrasana. If you have pain on the knees, don't sit Vajrasana. Sukhasana, okay? Anybody getting knee pain or not? Back straight. Then please learn how to sit man first. Don't sit with a rounded plate back. Now bring your hands on the eye. Face, you can face forward, no problem. Open your eye, rotate your eye. 1, look through all the corners. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hands. Dhyana Mudra. Back straight, back straight. Inhale, look at the nose. Exhale, wall. Look at the wall, 1 point. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. One more, last. Inhale, nose. Stay there, breathe normally. Normal breathing. Just about 5 numbers. Now exhale, look at 1 point on the wall. Ekagra Drishti. Good. Now, bring both the arms in front, parallel to the ground. Fist close. Spread your finger. Close. Spread. Close. Wide spread. Close. Spread. Close. Spread. Palm drop. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. One more. Down. Up. Fist close. Rotate the wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on shoulder. Straighten the arms. Front. Fold. Straight. Fold. Straight. Fold. Straight. Fold. Straight. One more. Fold. Straight. Fold your arm. Touch your elbow front. Rotate your shoulder. 1. Mele. It has to go up and back. 2. Inhale and exhale in 1 circle. 3. Look front. Don't look down. 4. 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3. ನಿಧಾನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 4. One more round. 5. Then interlock your finger. Inhale, stretch your arm. Back straight. 1. Stretch it upward. 2. Straighten your back. 3. Breathe normally. This stretch is very good for your back. Keep it long and straight. 4. They give a good height to your backbone. Look straight. Don't look up. Look straight in front. 5. Exhale, bring the hands down. Making a good circle. Like that. Every step you have to go with a lot of grace. Now sit to one side, and release your legs in front. We finished almost all the loosening practices except forward bending and neck rotation. So last 2 is that. So put your chin down on the chest, rotate your neck. 1, take it all the sides. 2, practice with control. 3, those who are practicing, you can practice along with me. 4, if you want to observe, you can observe, no problem. 5, any difficulty, stop and observe. Change. 1, take it to the other direction, all the sides. 2, so check that your ears are touching the shoulder. 3, close your eyes when you practice. Come close, Madi. 4, enjoy. You should enjoy all these things. One more. 5. That's enough. Now keep your legs together. Back straight. So don't sit like this. Keep your back chest front, okay, always when you sit. Tanmay, beyond the limit, I cannot help you, man. I'm sorry. Because you're not showing interest. Without you showing interest, I cannot help you. You're not showing any interest in what you're doing. Keep your legs together, man. How can you keep your legs like this? I'm telling you, you're not putting the mind in what you're doing. You're doing something for the sake of somebody else. Nobody can help you if you do that. Please put your mind. Without mind, you cannot practice yoga. Show interest. How you cannot even keep your legs together? How will you practice? I don't know why. Why are you not putting mind on that? Why are you not focusing on keeping the legs together? What is in your mind? What is happening in your mind? Practice with the presence of mind. Listen. Don't look here and there when the action is going on. Beyond, after some time, I will not give you any, I cannot give you any more instruction. Because some initiative has to come from your side. I can do what I can do. Beyond that, it is your side. If you don't give your part, nobody can help you. It's not possible. So please realize that. Understand that you have to listen, you have to practice, you have to sit with back straight, you have to use your mind. All these things you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, you will not improve. You come for 5 years also, you will not improve. Because the mind is not here. Show some more interest and while practicing. Don't look at other places when the practice is going on. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch the toe. Only touching. Careful, okay, Venkatesh? Don't do too much. Inhale, lift your hands again. Exhale, go a little more deeper. Niddana, jasti veda. Inhale, 3. Again, arms up. Carefully. Exhale, down. Little more deeper. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, 5. And exhale, down. Maintain this position. Some time you have to maintain. 1. Look at, very good. Catch wherever you can touch, no problem, but stay there whatever possible. 2. Avoid shaking. If there is a pain, don't go beyond that point. 3. Slowly go a little more down. 4. Last moment, just drop the neck also. 5. Enough. Inhale, sit up, lift your hands to the sky, lift your hands. Exhale, put your hands down. Like that. So you've finished all the loosening practices. Any doubts in what we did till now? Anybody can ask. So some of the things, those who have got mild back problem and all, don't do that forward bending too much. You should, it's not that you should never do forward bending, little. So instead of maybe pulling too much, this is also fine. Just yogbeda. Back in the rain, pain is in there. Pain, if there is no pain, you can go little further. Like that, increase the depth. Okay. Now we will do any doubts, otherwise we are going to Surya Namaskara. So come to standing position. We will be doing around 6 rounds of Surya Namaskara we'll do, okay? I hope I am visible to you. Yeah. Those who have got any back issue, don't, as I said, there is a bending forward in Surya Namaskara. So when you bend your body forward, you can slightly bend the knee like this. Okay? No need to keep the legs straight. So you can slightly bend your knees. All these people having back problem. Very important. Don't ignore my instructions. Samastiti. Inhale, take both the arms over the head. Exhale, heart center. Close your eyes. Inhale again. Together. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ॐ Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. So all these Omkara mantra you have to do. It is very good for calming the mind. Okay, all these mantras are for calming the mind. Now, Ekam, inhale, bend back. Dvi, exhale, bend forward. Trani, inhale, left leg back. Chatvari, exhale the right leg. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale, go down on the mat. Sapta, inhale, chest up. Ashta, exhale, lift your back. Nava, inhaling, left leg. Dasha, exhale the right leg. Ekadasha, inhale, bend back, stand up. Dvadasha. Om Mitraya Namaha, Mitraya Namaha. Ekam, inhale, bend back. Dvi, exhale. Pranu, inhale, right leg. Chatvari, exhale, other leg. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale to the mat. Inhale, chest up. Ashta, exhale, lift your back. Nava, inhale, right leg front. Dasha, exhale the left. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up, bend back. Dvadasha. Om Ravaye Namaha, Ravaye Namaha. Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale, left. Chatvari, exhale. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale to the mat. Inhale, chest up. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, left. Dasha, exhale, right. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up. Dvadasha. Om Suryaya Namaha, Suryaya Namaha. Ekam, inhale, bend back. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale, right leg. Chatvari, other leg. Pancha, inhale, down knee. Exhale. Shat, inhale on the knee. Exhale to mat. Sapta, inhale, chest up. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, right. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, inhale. Dvadasha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Fifth round. Ekam, inhale. We exhale. Trani, inhale, left leg. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale. Shat, inhale, come up. Exhale to mat. Inhale, chest. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, left. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Last round. Ekam, inhale. We exhale. Three, inhale, right leg. Chatwari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashta. Now right. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, take your hands straight up. Exhale, hands down. So we did Soham Surya Namaskara, 6th round. Okay. Any doubts on Soham? Otherwise, we go to Ashtanga Surya Namaskar.
Sir, just something. Yeah. Sir, can you show how to go from Sashantasana to Chaturanga?
So we are in Shashanka here, right?
Yes, sir.
Arms stretched. So come up on the knee. Chaturanga, exhale, go down. Like that.
Okay, sir.
Keep everything in the air.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, 2 rounds of Ashtanga, A Surya Namaskara. After that, we will go to Asana practice. Look at the nose. Along with me. Ekam, inhale, hands up. Look at your thumb. Do exhale, bend. Try, inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Stay there for 5 breaths. One. Two. Three. 4, 5. Sapta, step front both the legs. Inhale, head up. Ashta, exhale, head on the knee. Nava, inhale, stand up, hands up, sideways. Samasthiti. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Last round. Ekam, inhale, arms up. Do exhale, bend. Inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Stay there. One. Two. 3. 4. 5. Sapta, step front, inhale, head up. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, stand up. Samasthiti, exhale. Om Marichay Namaha. Relax. Keep your legs away. Close your eyes. Standing position. Tanmay, got tired? You finished? So any doubts on Surya Namaskar? 2 Surya Namaskara we did. One is Soham Surya Namaskara. Second is Ashtanga A Surya Namaskara. Some of the important points you should note. Many of the people that inhale head up, extension, people don't lift the head up. So for example, that needs an extension. So when you bend forward, folding. 2. Then inhale, head up. That much head up has to come. Okay? So don't just this much only. Lift your chin, lift your shoulder. Lift, you can keep your fingertips or tip of the finger. Don't lift your hand. If you want, you can keep the full palm also, no problem. Like that also fine. Okay, but extend your spine so that you get a concave back. That is important. Any doubts? No doubts. Now Udhyana Agnisara. Bend your knees, slightly keep the legs apart. Like this. Your hand should be loaded. Don't bend elbow. Elbow should be straight. Firmly grounding. Firmly keeping the elbow straight. Okay? Take the weight of the body on your hands. Udhyana 2 rounds. First inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Stomach in. So that much time, you have to hold your breath. So after pulling the stomach in, you should not release. Now both the knees straight. Second time. Sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್. Exhale. Stomach in. Like that you'd inhale. 2 rounds over. Udyana Bandha. Next, Agnisara Kriya. Pumping of stomach. Observe the stomach. Inhale. Exhale. Start pumping. Fourth round. Knee straight. Same practice. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Pumping without breath. Last round. Dhyana to standing position. Again inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Stomach in, stand up. Exhale, hands down. To Samasthiti. Relax. You finished all the practices before asana practice. Any doubts till now? Anybody? How many people are there? No doubt. Ready for Parshva Konasana, Parivarta Parshva Konasana. Samasthiti, left side of your mat. Come here, madam. People also are there. Starting from the left side of the mat. Observe the step by step, the procedure. Procedure is more important than where you are reaching. How the breath is in control. How the movements are measured. How the movements are controlled with the mind. All that is more important than where you reach. Samasthiti. Take an inhale here. Ekam exhale, right leg out. Dvi inhale, right leg turn. Look at the right. Trini exhale, bend the knee, right hand down. Chatwari inhale, stretch the left arm. Start exhaling. Inhale. 1. 2. 3. Exhale, left hand back. Look down. Shut. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, turn left. Exhale, bend the knee, left hand down. Inhale, right arm on the ear. Stretch your body. One. Two. Looking at the hand. Three. Exhale, hand back. Look down. Shut, inhale, stand up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, turn to right. Full body. Exhale, bend the knee. Keep your right hand on the left side of your left leg. Chatwar, inhale, stretch the right other hand. Exhale. Inhale. Two. Three. Exhale, right hand back. Pancha, inhale, stand up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, other side. Full body should turn. Exhale, bend the knee. Keep the right hand on the left. Then inhale, stretch the left. Stay there. Exhale. Shoulder has to cross. Inhale. Two. Three. Exhale, left hand back. Shut. Inhale, stand up. Sapta, exhale. Ashta, inhale, walk inside. Exhale, jump to the front. Like that. Natarajasana. Samasthiti. Starting with the left. Ekam. Inhale, left leg bend, right hand up. Exhale, bend. Stay there. One. Two. Three. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, other leg. Exhale. Look at one point. Inhale. One. Two. Three. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, spread the legs, 1.5 foot, catch your waist. Exhale, bend. Hook your toes. 3 in inhale, head up. Concave. Chatwari, exhale. Stay there, inhale. One. Two. Three. Pancha, inhale, head up. Shut, exhale, insert your hand. Three, inhale, head up. Concave. Chatwari. Start inhaling. One. Two. Three. Pancha, inhale, head up. Exhale, catch your waist. Sapta, inhale, stand up. Ashta, exhale, jump. Samasthiti. Any doubts? Can sit down. Anybody? Any doubts? If you have doubts, you have to ask. If you don't ask, I presume you know everything. Sit with back straight, man. Tanmaya, how can I help you? I don't know how to help you. Not possible. Samasthiti. Marichi asana and Supta Vajrasana. Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, left leg bend. Do exhale, left hand in front. 3 in inhale, right hand at the back. Catch the fingers. Chatwari, exhale. Stay there. One. Full breathing. Two. Three. Pancha, inhale, sit up. Shut, exhale. Ekam, inhale. Other leg. Do exhale. No. 3 in inhale. Bring the body front. Chatwari. Like that. One. You heard the sound of breathing, madam. Hata barabeku. Two. Three. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Ekam, inhale, fold your legs. Exhale, Vajrasana. 2 breath, inhale. Exhale. 1. Two breaths. Third exhale, lie down. Looking at the front. Again inhale. Then exhale, head down or shoulder down. Stay there. Start inhaling. Exhale. Next inhalation, hands up. Exhale. 2. 3. 4. Hands catch your ankles. 5. Pancha, inhale, sit up. Exhale, hands to Dhyana Mudra. Inhale, sit to the other side. Exhale, release your legs. Samasthiti. Relax, hands back, shake your legs. Please mute your phone. Who is on unmute? Please mute it. Next to asana, which are the asana? What is the name? Twisting asana. What is the name? Bharadwajasana. Samasthiti. Back straight. Nodi, back straight baro nodi. Straight, finger wide open. Always. Ekam, inhale, fold both your legs to the left. Left side. Shin bone on the foot. Iduk mele bari. Mele. Feet mele cross ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Cross ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, correct ಇದು touch ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct. Do exhale, twist to the right. So your right hand goes back, left hand below the right knee. Stay there, start inhaling. Exhale. 1, inhale. Exhale. 2, inhale. And exhale. 3 breaths enough. Now inhale, look forward, release your hands. And exhale. So Rupali is there. In advanced class, what you have to do is, you have to take the right hand, catch the left wrist. You can see the wrist. You can see here, Rupali is there, I think. So take this hand, So take this. So first is the folding. Second is taking the hand back and swinging and catching this bicep. Try to catch the bicep with an exhalation. Then inhale, insert this hand below the knee, and then exhale and twist back. So this is the difference. In advanced class, we do Bharadwajasana with the biceps caught by the other hand. So that's the way in advanced class.
I had one more question. I think you did that Supta Virasana, right? So what I assume is in Virasana, the back is flat, and in Puryankasana, it is supposed to be curved, right? That's the difference between the two, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I did now is in the general class. In general class, it is Supta Vajrasana. You see the difference. So here, the buttocks is not touching the floor. Buttocks is resting on the feet. Whereas in the advanced class, you will be sitting in between the feet. So you will be sitting down on the floor. Your
Okay.
buttocks is on the floor. So this is Virasana, sitting warrior. The other one is Vajrasana. So in this position, we lie back. So the back becomes flat. Unlike the previous one where the lower back was arching. That was in the lower class. And here, bring the hand by the side of the ears. With an inhalation, lift your chest, keep your crown. And with an exhalation, interlock the elbow in front of the forehead, like that. That is the Paryankasana.
Okay, okay, I got it now. Okay.
Yeah. So like that, that's called the sofa pose. This is there in your class. Then inhaling, press your hands or fingers. Exhaling, release the arch. Down. Then with an in breath, using the elbow, come to sitting position. So in your class, it's like that. There is one more asana in addition to what we did in your class, that is Prasarida Pada Uttanasana. So I just quickly show that also.
This one we've done it in normal class also, no? I mean, I think we've done this sometime. Okay, I remember.
Yes, yes, we have done that. Then in your other one, Prasarid Pada Uttanasana is there. Ekam, inhale, spread the legs about 5 feet. This mat will slip. So I don't use a cloth mat. Standing asanas. Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale, bend and hook the toes. In your classes, this is there. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale, head down. That is Prasarid Pada Uttanasana. Staying there, 5 breaths.
Where is Drishti?
Nasagra Drishti. Then Pancha, inhale, head up. Shat, exhale, catch your waist. Sapta, inhale, stand up, walk your legs a little inside. And exhale, jump. In your class, that asana is there. Other than that, all the standing asanas are same. This is the only extra asana in your class. Then, one more asana is Vatayanasana. Nodukondo, madakagalla. It's a little difficult asana in your advanced class. Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, fold any one leg. I'll show this leg. You will start with the other leg. Dvi, exhale, bend the other leg. Trini, inhale, stand up on this knee and the other foot. Then exhale here. Then inhale, coil the arms. Left elbow above the right. That's a unicorn pose. Exhale, release the arms. Inhale here. Exhale, sit. Inhale, unlock the left leg. Exhale, unlock the right. So that is the unicorn pose, Vatayanasana. I'll not show the other side because of paucity of time. So that was, it's an advanced class. It's not in the regular class. Children class also it's there. Okay. So that was Vatayanasana. Then Marichyasana B is there. So it is similar to what you did. Only thing the other leg will be in Padmasana. Marichi A and Marichi B. So I'll not touch that. Then the last asana in sitting pose is Purna Navasana. Samasthiti. Wide finger, madam. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? Ekam, inhale, lift both the legs, 60 degree. Above the head level, ನೋಡಿ height. Do exhale, arms parallel. Cross ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, cross. ಪಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Inhale. Minimum the rounding the back. Exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, hand down. Exhale the leg. To Samasthiti. Okay, that was called Purna Navasana. Relax. Any doubts in anybody has got any doubts? You can ask. I finished all the sitting asanas. No doubts. Going to inversions. Lay down. Inhale, take both the arms over the head. Exhale your breath, point your toe. Inhale, take both the legs up 90. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, roll up on your back, Sarvangasana. Try to come up, Uma. Try ಮಾಡಿ, try ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ try ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಧಾನ. Exhale, Halasana. In advanced class, in the same way, we will be doing in Padmasana position. You first kೈ flat ಮಾಡಿ first. Lie down, lie down, lie down. ಕೈ flat ಇರಬೇಕು. Down, lie down. Lie down, down. ಕೈ straight ಇದೆ. Now the first legs up. Take your legs up first. Push the hand with ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೈ ಡೌನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೈ ಡೌನ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ. See, you have to take the leg back. Take your leg back and lift it. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಪಾದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Take your leg back. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಪುಷ್. ಕೈ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. In your advanced class, it is like that. So one leg Padmasana, other leg, both the leg. Then in this position you have to sit down. Like that. That is all the Padmasana. Then with an exhale, Pindasana. You can also hug the arms. Inhale, bring the thigh parallel to the floor. On the exhalation, unlock your legs to Halasana. Again inhale. Then Parshva Halasana. It's also in advanced class only.
It's a 90 degrees angle.
Yeah, it will go to 90 degree, full twisting. In advanced class. We can do it in normal class also. We can plan next month. Then inhale center. Exhale other side. Parshva Halasana. Inhale, walk back. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale, split. Sabakonasana. One. Inhale, come up. Say namaste. One. Two. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, spread your arms. Please keep on mute. Who is on unmute? Mute your phone. Exhale, bend your leg. Inhale, wrap. Any one leg you can wrap. One leg on the other thigh. So how to lock it? Below the calf. ಇದರ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಇದರ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Exhale, tilt your other side. Inhale, look to the other hand. Exhale. One. Breathing nodi. Two. Three. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release the knock. ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್. Exhale. Start inhaling. Full inhalation. One. Looking at the hand. Two. Three. Inhale, bring back. Exhale. Inhale, leg straight. Exhale, hand down. Relax, Shavasana. Any doubts? Inversion. Any doubts, anybody?
So when I do it, the pressure is always on the neck. I don't know what am I doing wrong.
In which asana?
The halasana.
So the trick is try to interlock. I will show you the trick, okay? Watch how I am doing it. You saw that adjustment, what I did. See, earlier it was like this. See, the shoulder was out.
Okay.
Now what I did, I brought the shoulder in.
Okay.
So So the shoulder came inside and the neck lifted up.
Okay.
There is very less weight on the neck here. The entire weight is taken by the shoulder. Neck is not taking much weight at all. Same way, when you go down, now here you can see, if you keep the shoulder out, I'll show from this view. Observe my shoulder position. Now, see if I keep like this, the shoulder is out, is going outward. So the neck is taking the weight. So you have to interlock the full hand, you have to interlock. Don't interlock finger. Try to interlock full hand and bring the shoulder down. You see the difference.
Okay.
Now the shoulder is down, the neck is up. The wrong practice, now observe the shoulder, how it's going to move. You saw that?
Yeah.
Did you saw the change of shoulder?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the wrong position. Now this is the right position. And show
Okay.
it from the other side. And show it from the other side, you will understand it better now. Now, this is the wrong position.
Okay.
The shoulder is out. Now, how I am going to roll it, see?
Okay.
So that. Now the shoulder is gone inside. And that is taking the weight. Neck is not taking. This is right.
Okay.
This is wrong. This is right. Got it? So, that's why I say in the class, roll your shoulder down. Roll. Bring the shoulder down and inward. So the neck will lift. Neck will not take the weight. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ spondylosis ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ simple technique. With experience, people know they don't want to learn techniques. They want only exercise. So after 2-3 years, neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, all pain will come. Because they are. So now, good that you asked, Leah. You asked that question, no? So other people also could see that. There is one video which I have uploaded in the channel regarding Sarvangasana. In that, I have mentioned in detail how this shoulder rotation helps to lift the neck up. And it is called shoulder stand. It's not called neck stand, right?
Okay.
Sarvangasana is called as shoulder stand. Nobody calls it as neck stand. So take the weight on shoulder.
Okay, sir.
Then, in back bending sequence, what is the important point of this one? Matsyasana, keeping the kai full down ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay. First, inhale. First keep your samasthiti. So pointing toe, back straight, everything straight. Inhale, insert the arm below the buttock. Arm, ಎರಡು ಕೈ full ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Full. मतलब in this position, in buttock ko kai mele irabeko. Okay. Your forearm mele irabeko. Your back buttock should not be touching the floor in Matsyasana. Now that is an exhalation. Sorry, inhalation. Then exhale your breath, point your toes. Dvi. Inhale, lift your chest. Full lift. Full upper body lift. Full upper body. Then exhale, bulge your chest and put your head back. Like that. So Matsyasana is done like that. Teeth together. 1. Use the elbow to increase the height. 2. One more breath. 3. 4. Inhale, head up, look at the toe. Come on, head up, full come up. Pancha, exhale, lie down. Shut, inhale, remove the hands. Then exhale. Inhale, take the arms over the head. Exhale, keep your legs together. Inhale, bend your legs, keep them away. Dura, dura, dura irabeku, madam. Then exhale, hands by the ears. The side of your ears. Then inhale, push the ground, rise up Chakrasana. Stay there. One. Two. Three. Exhale, come down. So in advanced class, in this position, you have to straighten the legs. In Chakrasana, straight legs. Like that. And inhale, walk back. And exhale, come down. In advanced class, you have to stand up from there. Yeah. Stay in that position. So only Rupali is there. Preeti is there today? No, right? Preeti or anybody else in advanced class? No. Sridhar is there? No. Then?
Yeah, I am here. Yes, sir. I saw.
Okay. Then drop back. So the standing up, the trick of standing up is this distance minimization. So when you are in Chakrasana position, try to minimize the distance. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ತರ. Correct. When you are keeping the leg, keep it away. Don't keep like this. You cannot lift Chakrasana like this. Agala. Okay. Then inhaling Chakrasana. This is my mic.
So as I said, the trick of standing up is walking. So try to walk. Minimum distance, you have to walk. Reduce the distance max, minimum. Then
Easy to come up. So if you try standing up from long distance, it will not come. You will not get that leverage to come. So when you are doing Chakrasana in the class, try to reduce. Minimum distance, keep on trying. So we stay 2 breaths now. So try to step 1, step 2, step 3 like that. Similarly, in dropping back. So there is another way to do that is with wall support. So beginners, you should try that. Like somebody who is new in the advanced class, you try with the wall support. So lying down, little close to the wall. I don't do that. I hope I can do it like that. From here, inhale, then stand up Chakrasana.
Then try to catch the wall like this.
Then stand up. So taking the wall support, you have to stand up. Same way, when you go down, take the wall support. Then like that,
Keep on the wall. Then slowly walk down. Like that.
and try to go down. I don't know how to do it actually. So I don't, because I don't practice. So you can do it wall support. So the right method is push the hips. So that arch has to come.
Don't start bending from here.
You will not reach. Push the hips. So that push
You have to get. Then it will go. Like that.
Then lying down. Then what are the asanas? Then Pavana Muktasana, all of you know. I don't have much time, so I have to show the advanced asana also. Pavana Muktasana. Inhale, bend your legs, hug the knees. Exhale, chin on the knee. Inhale, catch your elbow. 1. 2, one more breath. 3. Inhale, head down. Full breath. Exhale, release the leg. Inhale, turn to the left side of your body. Exhale, support your head. Manukal straight. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Hook the toe. Without bending the elbow, stay there. 1. Other toe pointed, madam. Other toe. Madam. Point. Angle illa. It is come to center of mat. Balance. Exhale, hand down, leg down. Inhale, turn to the other side. Exhale, support your head. Inhale, left leg up. Exhaling. Inhale. Two. Three. Exhale down. Inhale in the position. Exhale to the ground. Makarasana position. Normal breathing. See, normal sound of breathing is not audible. I'm relaxing. I'm not taking deep breaths. Inhale, stretch your arms in front. Exhale, keep upward. Distance. Exhale, catch your ankle. Inhale, lift your upper body, chest and thigh. More than the chest, thigh has to lift up. One. Chin up. Two. Last one. Three. Exhale, come down. Inhale, release the hands. Relax. Press your hands by the side of your chest. Inhale, stand up on the knees.
Sir, Ekapada Dhanurasana.
I'll show that. For that, I will do a little more back bend. Then it's suitable.
Okay.
Yeah. So, before that, I will do 2 preparatory asanas. Then I will do. You can lie down. Now you sitting position. Now, I will show you that Pada Mushta Dhanurasana.
So, both the hands are in front, both are there. With an inhale, fold one leg. I'll show the outer leg. Exhale, catch the inner toe. See the, so I catch the inner toe. I hope I'm visible.
So the thumb comes between the toe and your between the two fingers, right? Yeah.
So your thumb comes between the first finger and the second finger.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And then catch it, other fingers, wrap it on the feet like that. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Noted.
Lift, so here, lift the body on the elbow. Now here the height of the thigh is important. So if you lift the thigh, then the hand will come front.
Oh. Okay.
So don't try to rotate from here, it will not come. Lift the thigh up, then bring the hand in front like that.
Okay.
Same way, other side. Inhale, bring the leg up.
Come a little tall, bring your chest a little up. Then thigh should come more than the chest, just like
So
in normal doing.
when we try to do this, we'll tilt towards one side. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine. But lift the thigh up and bring the hand.
Okay.
Like that. The more you lift the thigh, the elbow will come forward.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Now, both the legs together also I'll show you. I think we all are there. Rupali is there.
The same way, bend both the legs up. Inhalation. Exhale, hands down. With the inhale, lift up. Take one hand at a time and bring the other hand like that. Then bring the rotate back. It is Pada Mushta Dhanurasana. Heel come up. Exhale.
But catching from top will be difficult, no? We can't bend the leg. Try to catch from top. It will be difficult, no?
Will not reach.
Oh, okay.
It will reach in this one. If your arch is good, it is there is one asana, Raja Kapotasana, in that it will reach.
Okay. Okay.
So that bend should be good. So when you lift up like this, you reach up like that on the top, roll up, then catch that way.
Okay. Okay. So this is very difficult. That might be.
Catch it.
Okay.
Your arch should be very, very good. Otherwise, it will not come.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I will come to some of the advanced asanas. I think I have got another 10 minutes. Then this one, Vishwamitrasana. So from mountain position. Inhale, bring the leg in front. So it crosses. You can see the leg has crossed. Now there was some query. Who had asked that? Regarding, before coming to that, in standing asana, Pooja had a question where she was saying she is not able to keep the arm near the ear. So if it's like this, she is able to do it. So I think what you can do is keep a brick. If you are not able to reach the hand, keep a brick and do that. So instead of doing it on the fingertips, that Parsha Konasana, keep a brick here. So with that brick, you'll be able to keep the arm on the ear line, like that.
Yeah, if brick is not there, you can keep books also. Just
Yeah,
for
book
you.
also fine. Some book or something you can
Yeah.
keep. The only thing is when you keep the book, ensure that the top page doesn't slip.
Yeah, it should not slip.
Yeah, ensure that it is firm so that you get. So instead of doing it on fingertips, keep the brick. So another reason why you may not be able to reach is maybe because the length is short. This may be the reason. So the length is important. So the distance, no, it's about 4.5 feet. So that distance, if you get, then that grip will come. And try to make a straight line, body, arm, and the leg, straight line. So ideally, you don't need if you get that depth and the distance. That was one question she had. One more question she had was, regarding this question also, she had one more question. Wait. Vishwamitrasana. So Vishwamitrasana, see, the depth of the arm is important. So if you try to do like this, it will not come. See, you have to bring the shoulder down below the thigh. See, it has gone below the thigh. You saw that? The shoulder has gone below. And then with that weight, I tilt a little on this hand. Then only the leg lifts up. So that little bending the elbow. If you don't take the hand down and if you have to take it out, you see that? From here, I'm not trying to start from here. I'm trying to insert. The shoulder has gone below. Shoulder will bandide. Then I take it out. See, the hand distance has gone out. You saw that? Then I tilt on that hand. Then lift. You got that technique?
Almost sit like that, no? Yeah.
So you have to take that hand a little out.
What about the right leg? Right leg,
Right leg has to turn.
full heel on the floor, right?
Yeah, heel on the floor. So say, try to take the hand as low as possible. So she has asked a preparatory asana for that. So the preparation for that is Bhuja Pidasana. So in Bhuja Pidasana, when you bend, you see the shoulder goes below. So that it goes below. Catch the, so do this every day. Catch the back of the ankle and try to push the body down and get that depth. When this depth comes, easy for Bhuja Pidasana. Automatically the leg comes up and it interlocks. So that grip will come. So Bhuja Pidasana, if you practice, then you will get Vishwamitrasana. I hope Rupali is watching. This is one of the asanas in your class. Bhuja Pidasana and Tittibhasana.
Yeah, I mean, viewing it's easy. I mean, doing.
Yeah. These asanas, try to get that depth. Bring the shoulder below the thigh. Deep, go deeper and deeper. Yeah. That's why all that your Pada Angushtasana, Pada Hastasana, all these asanas will help you to reach there. Okay. Then, in Bakasana. Bakasana, there are two ways to do that. The first method is keep the thigh out. I mean, keep a little thigh out. And then try to balance like that. You saw that? So the thigh and the knee came outside. Like that.
Oh, knee can be outside, is it?
Yeah,
We can,
I mean beginners, I'm telling beginners. Keep
Okay, okay.
coming out like this. So what will happen, you will get a grip on the inner thigh,
Okay.
so that it's easy to do Bakasana. So once you get that support of the thigh and you are able to balance, keeping the thigh on the hand. So once you get that, then try to bring the knee. So instead of the thigh, keep the knee on the near the armpit. And then lift one, lift the other. That is full Bakasana. Keeping the knee. These two asanas are there in your and Vishwamitrasana. Then third asana is Shirshasana. Shirshasana. Trick of the game is getting the upper body strong. Once your upper body is strong, look at the way I do it. Just lift. So that. So here, keeping the weight, don't start from here. Try to bring the weight towards the head side. Then take one leg up, join the other. You saw that? And slowly, without taking the hip back, take only the head back, the leg back. Then raise it up. So minimum movement on the hip. See, the hip is not going anywhere. The hip is straight up. You observe. I'm moving only the leg. Do you see that? Hip is directly above the neck. I take the leg up, then I don't move the hip. I take only the leg. So that the hip is not moving. But I'm not going to get. Do you see? The hip moving out of the place. Coming down also. Bend it. Keeping the hip down. Fold the leg. Keeping the hip there, keep it down. So keep the hip in one location. Hip joint. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೀರ್ಷಾಸನ I've shown you almost all the asanas except maybe Vrishchikasana handstand that I will not show today. Okay, any other questions? I have replied Pooja's question. So if she's there, please record that. Otherwise, I'll send the video, recorded video. You can watch it. So, in the first question of the Vishwamitrasana is check the distance between the legs. Generally, if the distance is good, your hand will reach. If you are still not able to reach, use a brick so that your arm becomes close to the ears. It need not touch the ear, no problem. It's not that you should touch it, but keep it on the ear line in Parshvakonasana. Regarding Vishwamitrasana, try to deepen the shoulder and take your hand little out so that that support of the arm will come and you can lift the leg in Vishwamitrasana. Okay. Okay, so I think I've answered all the queries. Okay, thank you all of you who joined the class. I think 5:45 is done. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir.
Thank you. Any questions? Anybody is there? I can answer if anybody is there.
Thank you, sir.